What's up, filmers? You know who it is, back with another one. I'm out here in Lexington, North Carolina at Walt's Radiator and Mufflers. So, it's only but a few things I could be doing up here. But I'm gonna keep that a surprise until they move it into the bay to see what's going on.
They told me I wasn't gonna get far. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. They told me I wasn't gonna get far.
You see they busy up here. They got cars in here. They got cars in the bay. You see my baby parked on a cut on the edge of the street. You see this road busy right here. They might need a new location for this place. But I got on the edge of the street. Hopefully she don't get hit by one of these crazy drivers over there. But yeah, for the work I got going on for my car, I got about 2 cars ahead of me. And for what I'm getting done, it's worth the wait, you know? I'm willing to wait for it. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get up in the bay and see what we're gonna do to this car. So while I'm waiting, y'all, currently I got the regional and my dog Snoop's supposed to be pulling up on me. They said they was gonna be here soon. I don't know how long they gonna take, but you're gonna see that scat and that Charger pull up with that flip-flop wrap, that purple and green and all them crazy colors in it. So hopefully they pull up on me. I don't know, it's been about 30 minutes. I've been up here waiting, so I gotta wait anyways. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the video. I'm gonna keep bringing it. See, I got a jungle rider just rolled past me right there. You know what I'm saying? We everywhere. She might turn back around. But like I said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the channel, Mr_Films, and I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these bangers. You know what I'm saying? That way. I want to show y'all I got my sticker back too. Still in the Jungle Riders. Still Mr. Film. They're a little bit busy up here. Y'all see that clean old Corvette right there? Let me catch him at the light in this bit. Ooh, that thing nasty. I don't know what kind of color that is, but it look good. He ain't gonna do nothing at the light though. It's too early today. That thing look real good right there. Might see a lot of cars, but you know, you got 12 up here, so you know they stay in them Chargers. And yeah, I'm on North Main Street, Lexington. This road right here be busy, man. This road, you gonna see crazy cars come through here, trucks, everything. I'm still working on getting them wheels. Like I told y'all last couple videos, I don't think I'm gonna be doing the factory wheels. I'm gonna have to go rep them, cause you know save a little bit of dollars, but they look just the same. I'm going for them Hellcats, satin black, offsets, 9.5, 11 in the back, 305s, 275s on the front. And it is what it is. I know one thing waiting on him, man. I gotta get me some breakfast. I need me a coffee, something. Let me go holler at one of these guys. Maybe they'll tell me what something else to eat. I gotta find out where the breakfast is. Hey, excuse me, you wouldn't know of a breakfast spot on this road?
A breakfast spot? Nah,
Yeah.
man, I always just do. I don't know.
Okay.
I know there's a good burger spot like right up here. That Charles place.
Oh,
I don't know what's
Charles,
on there,
yeah, that's too early for burgers for me, man. I gotta find me some coffee or something.
Yeah, I feel that. Nah, I don't really come out this way much.
Okay. Yeah, so it looks like I might be waiting until the group can get here. That's one thing about me. I got to have that coffee and the biscuit in the morning or something. I can't do no burgers. That's too heavy on me. Too heavy on me for the burgers. Catch me at about 11, 12 o'clock. I can do a burger, but anything before that time, it got to be breakfast. But let me jump back off real quick. I'm gonna see y'all in a few minutes. Speaking of jungle rider, there go the queen. Might have to walk up there. Let me walk up here. These people look familiar up here. They got that old school. What is that, a Buick Oldsmobile? It sound good. Might have to get that paint straight though. I know these three cars right here though. I don't know if y'all seen these in my videos, but if y'all been watching the videos, y'all know who this is. Jungle Rydaz. You hear me? Man, I know these people right here. I know these people. I know y'all from somewhere. What's up, man?
They got you in?
Yeah.
You in already?
They ain't pulled me in the lot yet, though. Yeah, got Queen Key right there. What's up, big dog? How you living, dude? All right, can't complain. Got the scat, you know, you see Snoop right there. Got that thing right here. Woo. I like them wheels too, boy. Them wheels crazy. Got the regional. I let the camera for me, man. I let the camera.
Early in the morning, man.
Yeah. Early bird get the word, man.
Jungle Rydaz on a Monday morning, man.
Yeah. So I'm in that scat with Snoop. I'm kind of scared of his car. This joint loud and fast, but yeah, I had to get some breakfast, man. You know, my peoples take me to get some breakfast real quick. I was starving. They give me a biscuit and some coffee. Gotta lay the seat back, so I'm jerking my neck. What they got. I just ordered a biscuit and some coffee, and my total came up to $6.66. I gotta order something else with that. You know what I'm saying? Let me get some extra bacon or something. I don't like that.
You got how many sugar and cream?
12 sugar, 2 cream.
Got that 300 looking good, dude. Damn, that's a big coffee. God dang. Look how big this coffee is. It's a big coffee, boy. Hey, yo. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your breakfast? Boy, this like 5 coffees in 1 cup. For real. No cap. So yeah, I'm in Lexington. I went to Biscuit King. They gave me this jumbo coffee. So y'all know I'm about to be yerked. About to be up off this coffee. You hear me? But I'm about to take y'all over to this muffler shop waltz. Show y'all what's about to go down with my vehicle. Getting it done. He getting it done right now. You see my baby sitting up there on the bay. Getting it done. Putting them on them stilts. Like I said, guys, my car group recommended me here. They said they do a good job, so this is why I come to. Walks Radiator and Muffler Center. We got 1 muffler on. I can't wait to hear what this thing sound like with just the mid-muffler delete. So as y'all know, this really my first major change to a Dodge Challenger besides cosmetics, air and stuff like that. So I'm pretty happy about this. I'm excited. I was tired of that regular sound of that V8. And maybe after this, I'll probably just add a boiler or something to it on the back. Get them, in the front. Man, I got mind block real quick. But basically, it just hooks up to your engine to give you more airflow. Dang, what is the name of them pipes? Not the cam, I want that too, but headers, that's what it is, headers. But work on that too. But I'm gonna go ahead show y'all the rest of his work. He right there on the pipeline right now cutting me pipes. He welding the other side on, so we almost done. I can't wait to see what this thing sound like when he finished. Look like he did a good job. Check that welding out when he done. So y'all done dropped it down. He done finished the work for me. We're gonna crank this thing up and see what it sound like. Yeah. So you gonna hop in there and let me hear what it sound like real quick. Okay, sound a little better. Yeah. That's how, boy, I'm trying to tell you, wait till I add some more to that thing. Whoa! Hey. Yeah, they sounded good right there. Yeah, baby. I thought it was loud at first. Now it's even loud. I like that. Yeah. You can hear that gurgling and everything. Yeah. So that thing sounds better than I thought it was gonna sound. What? Hey, yo, thank you, boy. That thing sounded good. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we could just throw them in the trunk. How much we running? So I'm done out the muffler shop. I'm out here with the Gorilla Gang, Jungle Riders, you know what I'm saying? See the Cadillac, see the 300, see the Charger, see the Challenger. It's just a few of us right here, but it's plenty more of us. I got my mufflers done. I'm gonna hit y'all with a little bit of sound. What I need y'all to do for me is make sure you like this video. Like. I don't care if you watch it 50 times. Every time you watch it, like the video. Well, if you liked it once, you can't like it again. So just make sure you like that. Comment on what you think it sounds like. Do it sound good? Hey, I'm with the negative comments too. Send me negative, send me positives. It don't matter. But like, comment, and most of all, make sure you subscribe to Mr_Films. I'm gonna keep bringing you these bangers. I'm gonna keep showing you these cars. I'm gonna venture off to bring you these clothes and all these other gadgets I use in my life. So, like I said, I'm gonna show you some of this sound, like I always say.